Hi everyone, I'm going to show you something that I've built you might find interesting. If you've got a contact form on your website and a customer sends you an inquiry, it'll come through. Here we go, it's a local plumber looking for a simple website, and that's just come through my contact form. What I've built in the background is a workflow. So the email is picked up, intercepted, it reads some prices and services off a Google Sheet as well as some prompts. We merge them, we create the prompt, the AI does the magic and creates a reply, and it's saved as a draft, so it's not automatically sent. Saved as a draft. Here are your Google Sheets that you use everything to keep up to date. So you've got your different options, prices, your different options for different types of inquiries, so simple solutions, more complex solutions, and some upsell opportunities as well, if you want to upsell some email or web domains. Let's have a look at how that's worked. We'll go back to the inbox and we'll refresh that, and okay, that's worked. So we'll have a look at the reply, and we can see that it's replied beautifully. It suggested the free option, as it should, because it's just a simple one-man band local plumbing business. The zero upfront cost option. It's upsold the Google Workspace, and it's offered to call the customer back on that number for a chat. And you can read that and edit it before you send it off. Here are the prompts that you use to the rules that you can engage with your customers. So you really want to discuss solutions and prices that match the customer's needs. You can suggest that the next step is a call. And just for fun, we're going to add an extra rule just to show you how simple it is. And that rule would be to finish off with a dad joke at the bottom of every email. And to add that, it's simple as adding a line to a sheet that you have control over. Let's do another inquiry. This is a more complex inquiry for a bespoke solution. So we'll submit that message, and that's come through. That's great. And it's the local shipping company manager, and they need a bespoke solution. In the background, the workflow is executing, it's reading the sheets, it's composing the reply, and here it is. Let's have a read of it and see how that's worked. So it's replied here. It's offering not the zero option, it's offering the bespoke solution, and the best thing to do would be to get together, have a talk, and put together a proposal. And here's the dad joke. Why did the delivery driver bring a ladder to work? It was time to take things to the next level and keep things ship-shape. It's a terrible joke, but it gives you the example of how simple it is to edit and modify the way you engage with your customers. You're just editing a spreadsheet online. Super simple. That's pretty much it. If you want to learn more, I know I've rushed through that. I know it's the internet. I've got to be quick. So get in touch and I'll show you some more. Thank you very much.